Today I want to show you a brand spanking new RV resort right here in Punta Gorda, Florida. Stay with me to the end so you can discover this all. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please do so I can bring you more cool content. Punta Gorda is the kind of place that quietly hooks you and then you don't want to leave. This site is situated on approximately 72 acres of land, as you will see in the aerial view. It is so new that Google Maps has not been updated yet. But if you're coming from I-75, the map will send you past the site and ask you to make a U-turn. But the road has been updated with now a turning lane. And this is the rec hall. So we're at Palm Breeze. This is the activity center, and today we're going to be talking with Marika.
Hi there.
Let me go this way so I have lights. Okay, there we go.
So we want to bring in a lot of live bands and more people into the community. We want it to be very diverse. I have activities planned, whether that be some of our festive activities like sun catcher making, stocking decorating, stuff like that. Cookie exchange is happening soon too. I'm just in charge of crafts and getting people in, like bands, which we'll have at our Tiki Hut very soon, hopefully. And I'm also planning a New Year's Eve party, so hopefully we can get some people in for that as well. So it's just stuff like that.
Cool. Now I was in one of your activity the other day, and I really enjoyed it. Are you planning to do more like that?
Absolutely. Everybody seemed to love bingo and everybody seemed to love the murder mystery, and I want to add that more and more just so that we have a bit of community, because I want everybody to feel like we're a family, like a whole big old family, and that's what it felt like too. The atmosphere was great. We do want to add in more of the murder mysteries and bingo. I'll probably do different themes for murder mystery. That was just a Christmas theme. But just to get some more community in and people meeting each other and getting to know each other, we want to do that more and more, because it seems like you guys really liked it, and we'll add more to gifts maybe later on. But
yeah, we did. We enjoyed it a lot.
No, you guys did great. It was like, I don't know, no one really knew each other. Like, I feel like that was the first time you guys have ever met each other, and it seemed like you guys had known each other forever. Just
it worked out good. I was
it was
very
awesome.
happy to be here and get to meet some people.
Absolutely. Well, I'm glad you came and got to meet some new people. Have you talked to them after the event?
One guy stays across from me. The other one is over here. Yeah, I've chatted with him.
Well, good. See, that's what we want. We want the community all together. But yeah, and food trucks. We want to add food trucks too. We're getting some of those in as well, so we can eat other than our cafe being open now, but some other options for you guys too. Yeah.
All right. Well, thank you very much.
No problem.
And we'll hope to see you again.
Absolutely.
Okay. It just so happened that while we were there, it was their grand opening. Well, I hope you enjoyed that video. I enjoyed making it. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. And also, if you haven't subscribed, feel free to subscribe and help this channel grow. Cheers.
Cheers.